Hi, boys and girls. So the chant looks like this. A-R-E-A. Count the squares inside. Hey. Let's do that again. This time try it with me. A-R-E-A. Count the squares inside. Hey. Okay, well, what does that mean? Just like you saw in the picture, you're using graph paper, okay? And these are of all equal size. Now, this is the best I can do without having graph paper at my house. When you're looking at area, you're counting the squares inside because area is the inside of a figure. So Miss Wantuck drew some figures here, and we're going to count the area by counting the squares. When we do area, it's called square units, okay? Square units. So we're going to use the A-R-E-A, count the squares inside. Hey, we're going to use that to count our area of these squares, just like you saw in the example on the slide before this. So let's look at this first one right here. We want to count the area. So we're going to count the squares inside. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 squares inside this rectangle. So therefore, A-R-E-A, count the squares inside, hey, would be 9, and we're going to use square units. 9 square units, right? We always write the unit, and in this case, it's square units, just like when you do a word problem. So I'm going to write 9 square units for that one. All right, let's go down to our next one. Let's go here. A-R-E-A, count the squares inside. Hey, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this rectangle would be 4 square units. SQ is the abbreviation for square. Okay, I want you to try this one. Let's do the chant first. A-R-E-A, count the squares inside. Hey. Let's count the squares inside of this one. Up, 1. So that would be 1 square unit. Okay, we have 2 more left. Let's take a peek. You ready? Let's do the chant. A-R-E-A, count the squares inside. Hey. Okay, let's count the squares inside of this one. 1, 2, so what would it be? Tell it to someone in your family. Good job. 2 square units. Okay, let's try our last one. The big one up here I saved for last. Now, it doesn't matter if we count this way, if we count across. We're going to get the same thing, and I'll show you. A-R-E-A, count the squares inside. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, well, let's try counting the other way. Let's go down in columns and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the area inside of this rectangle is 10 square units. So we just completed the area of all of our rectangles. Okay, continue on to the next slide.